In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a bibliography in Microsoft Word. A bibliography is an important part of many academic and professional documents because it provides a list of the sources used while preparing your work. Microsoft Word includes built-in citation and bibliography tools that can help you organize your sources and create the bibliography directly in your document. Start by opening Microsoft Word and opening the document where you want to add your citations and bibliography. Before creating the bibliography, make sure your document contains the content where you want to reference your sources. Next, go to the References tab at the top of the Word window. This section contains the tools you need to manage citations and create a bibliography. Look for the Style option and select the citation style you want to use. Microsoft Word provides several commonly used citation styles. Choose the style required for your document, such as APA, MLA, or another available format. Selecting the correct style is important because it determines how your citations and bibliography will be formatted. Now, place your cursor where you want to add a citation. From the References tab, select Insert Citation and then choose Add New Source. A Create Source window will open. Select the appropriate type of source, such as a book, journal article, or website. Then enter the available information about your source into the appropriate fields. This can include the author, title, year, publisher, and other relevant details. Once the source information has been entered, select OK. Microsoft Word will insert the citation into your document and save the source information for later use. If you need to cite the same source again, you can select Insert Citation and choose the source from the list instead of entering the information again. Once you have added the sources you need, place your cursor at the location where you want the bibliography to appear. This is usually near the end of the document. Go back to the References tab and look for the Bibliography option. Select it to view the available bibliography formats. Choose the bibliography style you want to use, and Microsoft Word will automatically create a bibliography based on the sources you have added. The bibliography will include the sources that have been cited in your document and will follow the citation style you selected earlier. If you add another source later, you can update the bibliography so the new source is included. Finally, review the bibliography and check that the source information is accurate and that the formatting matches the requirements of your document. And that's how you can insert a bibliography in Microsoft Word using the built-in citation and bibliography tools. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,